Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to earn Monopoly Go big rewards. Okay, first things first, I'm going to show you steps on how to earn big rewards. First is Mega Bank Heist. During time-limited events, heist can turn into Mega Heist. Players can earn huge rewards by finding the 3 gold bars hidden in the bank vaults of their heist targets. Second is daily rewards. Logging in every day grants you daily rewards. The longer you consecutively log in, the better the rewards get. Third is quick wins. Daily objectives that give you progress towards earning a weekly reward. You will hit milestones along the way, each with its own reward. Fourth is landmark rush. Earn rewards every time you complete a landmark on the board, so make sure to complete it. So, in these 4 steps, you can ensure a big reward on your Monopoly Go. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now earn Monopoly Go big rewards. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!